How to reset or restore an ONN Tablet Pro 10.1.
If your ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 smartphone is running very slowly, hanging, you want to bypass the screen lock, or you have a full memory and want to erase everything, or you want to sell or give it away and want to ensure that nobody can access your files and passwords, you can do a factory reset to restore it to its original state like the first day. In the following steps we explain how to format the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 to erase all your information and make it totally clean as it came out of the store. Before doing a factory reset, we recommend deleting all the accounts on the device. Specifically, it is useful to unlink the Google account if you are going to sell, donate, or give away your Tablet Pro 10.1. This will avoid problems for the new user, as some newer devices include a functionality called FRP, Factory Reset Protection, that requires the same Google account or PIN code with which the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 was initially configured when factory resetting a device. Keep in mind that a reset or return to the factory state on a mobile/cell phone deletes all its content, so make a backup of your data before doing it if you don't want to lose everything. In case you do not want to erase the data from the device, you can try to restart the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1. There are two ways to do a reset on an ONN Tablet Pro 10.1, one through the mobile options and another more complete from the recovery mode. Restore from the options of ONN Tablet Pro 10.1. If you want to make a reset using the device options to return to the factory state in ONN Tablet Pro 10.1, you have to follow these simple steps.
1. First step, to access the settings menu on your ONN Tablet Pro 10. 1. Look for the icon that resembles a cogwheel. Click or tap on it to open the settings menu. 2. Second step, scroll down the ONN Tablet Pro 10. 1. Settings to the bottom where you will see the section called System. Click or tap to continue. 3. Third step, click on Reset Options. From this section it will allow us to restore network options, applications or reset the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 completely. 4. Fourth step, click on the last option called Erase All Data, Factory Reset, or simply Factory Data Reset. 5. Fifth step, a first confirmation message will appear reminding you that all your data will be deleted from this device. The data you have uploaded to Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or backup copies that you have in the cloud, such as Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive, will not be deleted. The Google accounts linked to this ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 will also be displayed. Important, after formatting and rebooting, the device will ask you to enter the password of the main Google account, so you must know it or have it written down before doing a restore factory. Press Erase All Data. 6. Sixth step, a second confirmation message will appear indicating that all information stored on the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 and all downloaded applications will be erased and reminding that this action cannot be undone. If you agree, click on Erase All Data. 7. Seventh step, if necessary, draw the screen unlock pattern or enter the screen unlock password or PIN to continue. 8. Eighth step, your device Tablet Pro 10.1 from ONN, it will restart and take several minutes to start while restoring the device to its factory state and optimizing the applications pre-installed in the operative system Android 10. If you cannot turn on the ONN Tablet Pro 10.1 and therefore you cannot perform the factory restore from the device settings, this method does not work for you and you should consult the tutorial to hard reset Tablet Pro 10.1.